Top 5 apps like Kviku Loan Review that actually work today. Kviku Loan is known for fast online loans, but most people get this wrong by not exploring safer and more reliable alternatives. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide instant loans, transparent terms, and verified customer support. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Cash App Loans. Offers small personal loans with quick approval. Users appreciate transparent interest rates and fast deposit times. Second, Money Lion. Provides credit builder loans and personal financing. Customers love financial tracking tools and rewards for on-time payments. Third, Tala. Focuses on microloans in emerging markets with instant approval. Users report easy to understand terms and flexible repayment options. Fourth, Branch. Offers small personal and payday style loans. App users highlight fast application and reliable customer support. Finally, Paysons. Provides quick personal loans with verified interest rates. Users appreciate clear terms and prompt dispersal. Pro tip, always read the fine print, compare interest rates, and choose apps with verified reviews. This ensures safe borrowing without hidden fees. These 5 apps let you access fast, secure loans while keeping your finances in control and avoiding scams.